Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates, welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Nandito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo isang soulful and meaningful letter reading dito naman po sa ginaginabangan at sinusubaybay na Renzo Tara Channel. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Pasensya na po, it's almost 2 weeks na wala po akong upload sa YouTube account po natin. But I'm still here, medyo na busy lang po, may mga konting inayos lang po tayo sa buhay but still I'm here, don't worry, hindi ko po kayo iiwan, alright? So ang ating reading ngayon na pagsasamahan ay para sa inyo mga pinakamahal kong Leo. Kay Leo, ano bang mga ganap at mga, exciting news, mga good news, blessings that is coming on your way. Ano ba mga dapat mong paghandaan? Ano mga dapat mong gawin? Alright, huwag natin patagalin pa ito. Kunin na natin Leo ang iyong 10 baraha. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, 10 cards please for Leo. Alright, so kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel, di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, nakaresonate po kayo, mag-like, comment, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching this ating TikTok account, paki-follow na rin po. Mag-ingat po sa mga scammers ha. Hindi po ako yung una mag-message sa inyo if you want to avail a private reading. Alright, so, sige Leo. Huwag nating patagalin pa. It's because your cards are now complete. Let's begin. Ooh! Look at this one, Leo. This is a death card. Death card is not scary at all. Hindi ito nakakatakot, Leo. It means there will be a rebirth for you. This is a rebirth period. So, Leo, may mga sitwasyon, may mga bagay na matatapos na para sa'yo, whether you like it or not. Old habits, mga lumang paniniwala, mga lumang mga bagay na hindi na nakakatulong sa iyo in the long run, tatanggalin na yan ni universe. And alam natin, kapag may katapusan or may ending, and it comes with a new beginning that is coming for you, Leo. So, with the death card, so expect mga painful experiences, toxicities, overthinking, mga takot, mga doubts mo, tanggalin mo na yan, matatapos na yan, at mapapalitan yan ng mas maganda. Peace of mind, happiness, and abundance is coming on your way, Leo. Okay? Wow, ang ganda naman. Oh, pangalawa is the Five of Pentacles. This is a reminder for you, Leo, to take your finances seriously. Doble tipid, do your best to manage your finances kasi medyo nakakakita tayo dito ng stagnancy. So this is the best time for you, Leo, not to be complacent sa mga perang binibitawan mo. Baka lately puro palabas yung pera, puro gastos, parang sunod-sunod yung luho dito, Leo. So make sure na kontrolin kung hindi naman kailangan talagang pagkagastosan yung mga bagay-bagay, Leo. So with your Five of Pentacles here, the universe is telling you, Leo, to control or to manage your finances ngayon and even at the upcoming weeks and upcoming months because alam niyo mga sitwasyon ng mundo natin ngayon. This is pinaghihirapan natin ang lahat. You're doing your best, you're really working hard, but kailangan mo talaga magtipid dito, Leo, ha? Five of Pentacles. Pangatlo, expect communication. May mensahe, may message na parating sa Leo in the upcoming weeks and months ahead. If you're expecting ng email, resulta ng application, visa processing, something about na makakaroon ng communication na parating sa'yo, Leo. So, i-claim mo na ito. It will be very positive, believe me. Bakit? Nauna yung death card, it means ending. There will be a new message. There will be a restart or refresh for you. Okay? So, with the 8 of Wands here, so it will be very fast, hindi ito magtatagal. So, don't pressure yourself. It will come sa tamang panahon, sa universe perfect timing. But believe me, Leo, a good news, communication, mensahe ay parating para sa'yo. Okay? Kailangan mo maghanda. Okay. Eto ho. 6 of Wands. Wow, Leo, congratulations. Victory is waiting for you. Success, alright? So here you are, you came for a battle, and look, nagtagumpay yung buong team nyo. Nagtagumpay yung buong, yung buong kasama mo dito. And here you are, you're riding in a horse, and there are people following you. You will be sitting like an inspiration sa lahat ng mga tao na nasa paligid mo. It's because napatunayan mo, Leo, na kaya mo pala. Despite of all the distractions, despite sa mga, mga doubts sa mga tao sa paligid mo, but you made it. Okay, Leo, congratulations. May mga bagay kang nilalaban na parang for a long time, parang imposible, suntok sa buwan. Pinagtatawanan ka, ang daming nagdududa, ang daming doubts and, frustrations na nangyari. But still, pinagpatuloy mo. Alright, so with the 6 of Wands, expect very good result with this one. I-claim mo to. This is not an ordinary victory for you, Leo. So this is massive. Talagang this is worthy of big celebration. Okay, Leo. So with the Six of Wands here, expect a very favorable journey that is waiting for you. Okay? Wow. Ang ganda-ganda. Pang-anim. Pang-anim. List ko naman. Pang-lima. Temperance. There's no point of turning back. There's no point of giving up here. Okay? Walang rason, walang dahilan para sumuko sa buhay, Leo. Andyan ka na, nasa gitna ka na. With the Temperance card here, the universe is telling you to hold on. Habaan pang pasensya. Laban lang. Okay? If you're waiting for a sign, if you're looking for a message para palakasin ang loob mo, yes, Leo. Hindi ka nakakamali sa video na pinapanood. With the Temperance card here, sabi ko nga sa'yo, with the Six of Wands, victory is waiting for you. That's why, andyan ka na. Ilaban mo na yan. Ngayon ka pa ba susuko? With the Temperance card here, magbubunga ang lahat. Believe me, Leo. Alright, and sabi ko, this is worthy of big celebration. Itong journey na tinatahak mo, hindi man to normal sa karamihan. Maaring sa kanila ay, kumbaga, kakaiba ito, but ikaw, ito yung gusto mo talaga. This is what you really wanted. Ito yung laman ng puso at isipan mo. And ituloy mo to, i-push mo to. Hindi ka pwedeng magpa-distract, hindi ka pwedeng, kumbaga, kung ano sasabihin ng ibang tao. You don't need approval of other people. Do your best, okay? You alone, ikaw mismo, Leo, enough, sapat na para magpatuloy dito. Alright? So, before we proceed to our last 5 cards sa ating second row, kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel, paki-subscribe naman po. And if you're watching this sa ating TikTok account, Renzo Tarot 444, paki-follow na rin po. And again, if you want to avail a private reading, please doble ingat po sa mga scammers. Hindi po ako yung unang magme-message sa inyo to offer a private reading. Kayo po ang magme-message po dito sa aking TikTok account. Okay? There's no other way. Hindi po ako nagre-read through WhatsApp, through Viber, or what any forms. It's through Messenger lang po, through video call sa Facebook. Alright? So, let's continue, Leo, for your 6 card. Oh, we have fear. We have 4 of Cups here. Leo, expect help. Expect offer. May isang bagay talagang i-offer sa'yo. This will be a big surprise na talagang bubulo sa isipan mo kung tatanggapin mo to because it will came as a surprise. Biglaan ito. But this is a good problem, Leo, kasi kumbaga, baka kadagdag to sa mga options, sa mga backup mo na pagpipilian sa kaliman. Okay? But with the 4 of Cups here, there are people that is coming for you para mag-offer. Siguro nakita nila yung galing mo, yung skills mo. That's why they will be putting their trust in you, Leo. So expect offer, opportunity, alright, that will help you grow, that will help you progress your life. Okay? Pampito, Leo, I hope you're doing great. Tuloy-tuloy na tayo. Magkakonect ang baraha, 7 of Pentacles, yung katapat niya 5 of Pentacles. So talagang, medyo lately talaga, or even as of now, medyo you're really worrying about your finances. Kasi nga, maluho ka, magastos ka. Sorry, yan, the real talk ito, Leo. But, kung tutulungan mo ang sarili mo na magtipid, laki-laki ng pera pumapasok sa'yo, pero inuubos mo lang sa movie, sa kaka-order ng parcel, sa kaka-travel. Ano ba yan, Leo? Kakagala, kaka-party. Alright, so this is the best time again. The universe is telling you, Leo, so this is the best time for you to save, to take your finances seriously. Hindi araw-araw ay Pasko, Leo. Alright, so make sure, do your best. Okay, kasi nakikita ko dito parang medyo kinakapos-kapos na. Ayan kasi, nakagaling mo lang sa travel eh. Okay, Leo? So please, alagaan ang finances. Nakikita ko dito medyo parang sumasakit-sakit ang ulo mo sa kapag pera pinag-uusapan natin dito. Pangwalo, Knight of Cups, sabi ko sa'yo. Itong news na parating, itong mensahe, communication na marireceive mo through email, through text or call will be very productive, will be very successful. Victory is waiting for you. This is something na sabi ko nga talagang inline sa'yo. This is something na gustong-gusto mo. Dito mo mailalabas yung galing mo, yung creativity mo. This is where you will be inspiring a lot of people, na you believe me. And with the Knight of Cups here, it's like you're a knight, you're a soldier. Galing kasi isang laban, and umuwi ka na tagumpay. You're holding the trophy in the cup. And you truly deserve this, Leo. Itong parating sa'yo, itong marireceive mo, na email na mensahe. Something about your career, your business, your study is worthy of celebration because Knight of Cups, this card of victory and success is very clear here. So, congratulations in advance, Leo. Alright? Katulad ng iyong ruler na sun, your life will be shining. There will be a light. Okay? Muling liliwanag ang buhay mo, Leo. Alright? Pangsyam is the Queen of Cups. So, Leo, here you are. Okay? Talagang ang galing-galing mo sa, sa decision making. You're really one of a kind. Kayo yung tipo ng taong simple lang, tahimik lang, but tumatakbo ng isipan niyo. Advanced na yung iniisip niyo dito. And ipagpatuloy mo ito with the Queen of Cups. I can see you a kind of person na talaga if you're doing a decision, kapag gumagawa ka ng decision dito, may mga decision na gagawin in the future but it's more on related siguro sa mga plano mo, career, studies, business, or any plans that you really want to do. So pag-iisipan mo ito mabuti. And I'm so confident na kayang-kaya mo, Leo. Okay, pag-isipan mo mabuti, magre-research ka, hindi ka magiging petex dito. So talagang, Leo, do your job, do your best here. Because nakasalalay dito ang future mo. But whatever decision na gagawin mo, it will bear a very good result. It will bear a fruit of achievement and success. Good news, it's because Six of Wands is something worthy of celebration. Alright, so Leo, tapusin natin tong reading mo with your 10th and last card. Oh my God! Pumahuli pa siya, ha? So, Leo, the Devil card is here. But this is not something bad na medyo mag-worry ka o matakot ka. But the Devil card here, this is a warning. This is a signal for you to... Also, I can feel here, Leo, may mga Leo dito na parang siguro ini-ignore na tinutok for granted yung kalusugan. Ito yung nararamdaman ko dito. Leo, if you can feel something about your stomach or dito sa likod, ito yung nararamdaman ko dito. So, go to the doctor to do a general check-up kasi with the Devil card, ito nakita ko dito. Baka nag-overthink ka, baka yung mental health mo ngayon parang hindi okay, Leo. So, please help yourself. Go to the nearest doctor, magpa-check-up, general check-up. But I can see more, itong Devil dito, this is not about a warning about your career, your business, something kasi very good, very promising yung cards. But ang nakikita ko is more on sa ini-ignore mo yung mga signs ng iyong katawan. So please, okay, if you have time, Leo, okay, wag nang palagpasin pa ito. But all in all, okay, with the Death card here, so rebirth, so something is about massive is coming on your way. But samahan ito ng pagtitipid with the 5 on 7 of Pentacles kasi puro ubus biyaya, puro gastos ang nangyari dito. There will be an offer, there will be success, communication, itong communication na parating sa'yo, this is what you're waiting for a long time, matagal mo inaantay ito, and it will be very successful with the 6 of Wands here. But samahan ng pag-research, okay, isiping mabuti, alamin mabuti bago gumawa ng desisyon. With the Temperance card here, habaan ng pasensya, nasa tamang path ka, tamang decision ang ginagawa mo, tuloy-tuloy mo na yan. With the Devil card here, there's a warning here, there's a signal here, something to take also notice about the signals that your body is sending to you about your health. Alright? But all in all, I'm wishing you all the best in life, Leo. Thank you so much yung walang sawang tiwalang suporta. Muling pagsama sa inyong lingkod, Renzo Taro. 444 hanggang sa susunod ating pagkita. Mag-iingat kayo lagi mga pinaka kong soulmates and God bless us all.